Good morning. My name is Paula Andrea Parrao. I am 20 years old. I'm from El Calvario. Ocumere Parat of Evening is Restrepo. Ocumere 7 years. I'm from family fine and study information engineer joined university. I am working the programmer in the marine in Tucson. My personality I like to study face storage. The reason with this annual International Joropo Festival in importance is because it's connected with for family and the also share with people from Colombia and other countries and cities. The International Joropo Tournament here in Villavicencio Meta. It is 5 days, July, the 1st, the 20th, and year of the month of June of each year, the International Joropo Tournament has its first version in the year of year which methods because of department. Every year, the monks of astronomy perform the Janemurices of Colombia and Venezuela. My Villavicencio as character as participation in the competition convert in the modalidad of performance, compor ondaxe of traditional llanera music. In the framework of the tournament, activities show a college, both competition play work, astronomy festival, artisanal sculpture, and painted exhibition in the Flor Amarillo, and Hala Voragine. Gallery and the karaoke, people, Ushuayi and the main the Janeri typic decks on the Ferreiro. Which on the fee gave en doble sinecar not to profess intuition nested oralan. I have it interested. Terrific. Thank you. Bye.